So let's get continuing. This is a series of a game development video, and we're at the 2D game development. And in this video, this is a pretty short video. I just want to share a way of making a game using this tile palette, and we want to do things reversely. Okay, so I think if I say this is pretty silly, but most of the friends who I know is not familiar with this technique, and I'm talking about game development from a digital artist point of view. So you just treat this as a brush, and you can reverse that. Okay, so let me show you how. Okay, so you are at this draw mode. Okay, so I'm going to use a big brush like this, and what I'm going to do is to say we got a cat here. Okay, so we can draw the fur of the cat. So essentially what I'm going to do is to draw something like this. Okay, so if you treat the game design this way, you will find that in a completely different angle. Looks pretty interesting, huh? Okay, we got this cat this way, but that's not the point. Okay, what I'm trying to demonstrate is that you are essentially building this block here, and if it's a dungeon game, you can erase it. Okay, so we got this erase with active brush, and the active brush is pretty big, right? It's like this one, and what I'm going to do is to make the brush size a little small. Okay, so we can even just get brush like this, and we can erase with pretty small brush. So essentially you can do things reversely. You can just batch generate a solid structure and then erase things. Okay, so you can erase things like this. Okay, this way you can make a sort of a dungeon structure that player can go through, and other people who is not familiar with the game will think, oh, it's a cat, it's the sort of the pattern of the cat, but in fact it's the sort of dungeon structure. You can get inside through here, and you can jump all the way down. Okay, so remember the starting point is here, so we can erase some part of it, so generate a tunnel so they can jump here, and of course you can draw, you can add some part of it. Okay, and once you're satisfied with it, you can erase that. This is just a quick way of generating routes, and if you want the user to get in this cat, you can just erase some part of it. Okay, and you can jump down here and go through here. Okay, so this is just to treat the game design reversely. Okay, so essentially you're not building this game tile, the game structure, but rather you erase the structure. You erase in order to create. So this is just a much more efficient and quick way of doing things. You just draw any of the structure, and you erase it, and you create routes, you create ways for your game. Okay, and this is just a pretty short video, and in the next video I'm going to talk about the different layer